Welcome back, everybody. Just Mike here. I finished the video on my 1915 Gilbert clock, but then I forgot a few touches that I didn't show you. And for one of them, I have these brass plates that fit on the side of the clock, and the reason why I couldn't finish them, and I forgot, like I say, in the video, so why not have a semi-short video, is I had to buy material for the inside of this, so that way the clock would breathe, not let the dust in, yet the sound of the gong would go right through this. And so I went over to Walmart figuring, I don't even know if our Walmart even has a material place there, in which they actually do, just that they've done so much changing around there, they moved it, and I think it's under $2. I got a small piece that was the color, which I was looking for a darker brown that I wanted, and I wanted it to be thin. Anyway, I went ahead and bought it, I ironed it, and now I need to cut it to size so I can get those installed. So I don't know why my wife's having a cow for me using her scissors, because I am cutting material. But she is standing right over there to watch me to make sure that's all I'm doing. I got this out, and it is a thin piece of material. I was looking for something that was, I guess you'd call it the summer material that the ladies wear for their tops, and because that's what it kind of looked like originally. And it sets in here halfway decent. Looks like I need to trim a little bit more here, but what I'm going to do is, once I have this trimmed where I want it, I'm going to put, if I get this back off, I'm going to take some super glue and put spots all over here so it keeps it snug. It doesn't soak too much into the material, yet it'll hold it in place. So here I plan on putting the bracket back on, and I'm going to use a screw, we'll call it a bolt, and a nut to make sure it doesn't come out, because the hole is a bit bigger now. I'm going to slide these in. That's a straight head. What the heck? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put these in, get the nuts on the other side, then I can just hold them and tighten them up more, and they'll tighten up good. So this is the wire I jury-rigged in here to get an idea of the length I needed for a stick for the pendulum. This one's just a little bit long. And right now it looks like I'm at 15. And so I'm going to say I need a 14-inch stick, because I need this shorter. And I also have, like I say, the screw part that goes on here to adjust the pendulum bob. So let me go try to make one, because so far I can't see them online at the parts places that I shop at. I gotta slide that up and it locks this in. And then I have a nail I need to put in there so it doesn't move. Well, I got it together, stained. The hook goes in the ring. Brass pieces inside here that slides back and forth. And that catches the bottom of the pendulum. So let's see if it works. So we got her done. Got the copper pieces on the side with the material behind it. We got the wood stick and the pendulum. And I will admit, on some of these clocks that I wonder why the pendulums don't go down further. But it does have, let's say, open box with a smaller bob, even though that's not a teeny bob. But for this size clock, it could be a little bit small. But just the same, I am very happy with this clock. And so now, the only thing I have left to do is adjust the pendulum bob up or down. Obviously, up would be faster, down would make it slower. And that way, I can have the proper time on this clock. Hope you appreciated maybe this shorter video compared to the others. And don't forget to subscribe, because it's free. And also check out Mark's channel here on the end. And subscribe to him. He's got great content when it comes to fixing on clocks, and also some helpful information when it comes to working on the clocks. Anyway, until next time, God bless.